Hello everyone, my name is Shane, and in this video, we're going to be checking out the official Samsung case lineup for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. These cases are available at the time of this video. I'll have some links in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. The prices range from $40 to $100. Starting with the clear case, this one comes in at $40. Inside the box, we have our two-part case, some packaging, and a lot of paperwork. So we have our top portion and our bottom half. First impressions of the clear case, this has a very slim fit on here, not super thick and bulky, has a great grip, and most importantly, it has enough lip on the front to protect your cameras. As far as our cutouts, we have perfect cutouts here for our mics. Let's see if this cutout fits my oversized Type-C charging cable. Looks like it fits in there perfectly fine, getting a charge, so no problem there. Let's check our wireless charge. Wireless charge works perfectly fine. We do have our volume rockers covered here by the case, have a nice clicky finish here, and then we do have access to our fingerprint sensor here. Perfectly fine there. Check it with the phone opened. Also works perfectly fine. On the left side, we do have some flip branding, but the P looks kind of cut off. And then of course on the back, we have the ring. So the ring, this has a silicone finish to it, and it's attached to the back portion of the inside of the case. So you can definitely trust this ring with whatever it is you're doing. Of course, you can simply have a finger through it for some peace of mind while you're using the phone. This portion that it's attached to is kind of floppy, so you can't really put this down and use it as a stand. And it is worth mentioning that on this year's case with the ring, there is no option to take this off. So there used to be clip options where you could unclip it, take off the ring if you wanted some versatility with your case. It appears this year that the ring is part of the case permanently, so just keep that in mind if you're going to be going for this clear case. But overall, I really like you can show off the color of your flip since there's so many different flip color options. Have a great grip here on this case, seems to have pretty good protection, and it's a pretty slim case overall, so it doesn't make the phone all that much bulkier. Next up, we have the silicone case. This one is also $40 and comes in 5 different colors. We have blue, mint, yellow, gray, and this navy color here. We do have some adhesive on this one to give the case a much better grip to your phone. This is both on the front and the back cover. And on the inside of this case, we have a plastic finish. It's a very similar design to that clear case, just obviously a grippier silicone finish. Our camera protection, we have enough lip here to protect those cameras and the front display. We have access to our fingerprint sensor, perfectly fine here for the outer display and also for the inner display. And of course, we have no hinge protection either, so your hinge is exposed and at risk if you would drop this. I have dropped flips in the past and scuffed up this hinge a bit. So there is actually a case we're going to cover later in the video that does have hinge protection, so stay tuned for that if you need that. But as far as the silicone case, we have the same silicone ring here that we did on the clear case. And again, since we kind of have this floppier attachment of the ring, you can't really prop this up and use it as a stand or anything. Looking at the cutouts for our mic and speakers, looks like we have good cutouts here. Let's check our large Type-C connector since it looks like we have a bit more of a closed off protection here for the Type-C port on this case. Looks like our large Type-C connector still works on this. Wireless charge works on this perfectly fine. So again, if you're just looking for a simple case, then this silicone case definitely gets the job done. Next up, we have the Flipsuit Case. This one comes in at $60, and this is a 2-part case. You have the case itself, and then you have these Flipsuit back plates that you can swap out for a bit of customization. So inside the box, we have that back plate and a clear case that looks identical to the clear case we checked out earlier, with the exception of we don't have the Flip branding on the side, and we don't have the ring on the back. Now, what's really cool about the Flipsuit back plates this year is that some of them have LED functionality. Now let's go ahead and attach the back portion here and see what happens. So Flipsuit Case content applied. And now in the back here, we have some LED lighting. So really cool little design here. And then of course, with these Flipsuit cases, you're going to get a new always on display that automatically applies. And then your lock screen also has just some fun little stuff here where when you rotate the phone, it's going to move all the elements on it. You can also just tap these and they just jump around your screen. So this is definitely a very good improvement for the Flipsuit cases. They seemed honestly pretty boring in previous years, but this is a nice step up for sure, especially for the price you pay. As you saw before, I had that blue background and I had a blue background on all my other widgets here. So it does kind of take over your whole cover screen. So the inside of the phone stays completely the same, but your outside here, you're going to have those LED lights, really cool. And then just the new theme of your outer display. Again, we just have the clear case here that we checked out earlier, so cutouts look perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and check our wireless charge with this back plate on it, see if we can still wireless charge. Yep, Wireless charging still works. Checking out our oversized Type-C cable. Looks like that works perfectly fine. Again, access to our fingerprint sensor, have the nice clicky button here for the volume rockers. Initially, really impressed here with the Flipsuit case. And last but not least, we have the Kindsuit case. This one comes in at $100, and this one comes in 3 different colors: yellow, mint, and this gray color here. This case, we have some more adhesive and a soft microfiber lining on the inside. And then we have our top portion with the flap for the hinge protection. Now, taking a look at the fully installed Kindsuit case, this one has a very nice looking premium textured leather-like finish. We have some Samsung engraving on the back, and this case gives your flip a very nice premium feel and also makes it feel very protected with the top of the hinge protection. This definitely gives the most peace of mind out of any of the cases, but it's kind of nice that you do get that leather-like feel on the hinge area too, so just no matter how you're holding this phone, you are mostly just feeling this leather-like Kindsuit case. Now, it is worth mentioning that this flap on the back does kind of get in the way sometimes. If you're opening the phone a lot with one hand like I do, it can kind of get stuck on itself, which is a little bit annoying. But again, similar sizing to the Silicone Case, for example, as far as our edge and corner protection. Definitely have a good amount of protection here. We do once again have a pretty large cutout for our Type-C port, so let's check our charging here. Looks like it works perfectly fine. Check our wireless charge with this flap here on the back, see if that gets in the way. Looks like it's fine. Wireless charging works well on this. We have what appears to be and feels like a metal button added here for the volume rocker. And then once again, plenty of access to our fingerprint sensor here. So no problem on the cover display and no problem getting into the inner display. Again, plenty of lip here for the front protection of the cameras on the front. But that's everything for Samsung's official case lineup for their Galaxy Z Flip 6. My personal favorite of the bunch is definitely the new Flipsuit case with the LED lighting on the back and some of the fun effects added to the phone. I love that you can get different back plates and change up the overall look and design of your phone. I'll be curious to hear your thoughts on these down in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the Shane Simons YouTube channel today, since next up I'm going to have my 3 days later review on this Galaxy Z Flip 6. In the meantime, you can check out my unboxing I just did on it and all the other new videos that I just posted on all of Samsung's new products. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.